When you get the video in the morning of the truck on fire and show up, this is what it looks like. Now we get to play Find the Fire. Smell it. Nothing super hot though. We found a problem. See those brushes? They are not supposed to be that far down in there. This is what new brushes versus the old brushes look like. Those old brushes wore down so much those copper wires were touching the motor and spitting sparks out. Still quite pitted, but nobody wants to spend money, so send her. After all that, we're still spitting sparks. The comm is so rough. Anyways, needs a motor.